Police sergeant earning over $200,000 a year caught stealing $15 cough medicine.
Cough medicine, black. $200,000 a year, white. Oh, jeez, this is rough.
41-year-old police sergeant was suspended without pay by the New York Police Department after being arrested on Saturday night in Long Island, Nassau County, New York State. Reportedly, she was charged with 2 counts of petty larceny for incidents that took place at a Target store in Valley Stream. One incident occurred on November 24th and the other on December 7th.
Lady changed everything.
Yeah, that's what I think too. I don't know why. Like, I can see a black guy stealing cough syrup.
I can't see a black cop stealing cough syrup, but I can see a black female cop stealing lots of shit.